Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just hold down power key and then press this home button, and that's how you can take screenshots. So let me show once again. Hold down power, press home, and that's how it's done. So one last time, hold down power key, press home, and yeah. You can find your screenshots in gallery in the special screenshot section here, and from here you can share, edit, delete your screenshots and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.